I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by tightening entry points, confirm an email and a phone you control, and create a unique password. Once done, enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app for stronger protection. Make sure to save recovery codes offline. Next, open security and login, review active sessions, and sign out any device you don't recognize. This stops current access. These initial steps reduce risk immediately and set a controlled baseline for the deeper privacy changes that follow. Now you change how information flows. Go to privacy settings and set your default audience to friends or a custom list so future posts aren't public. Once that's done, disable face recognition and make your profile less discoverable by search engines and people who aren't connected. Then audit apps and websites, revoke permissions for integrations you no longer use, and limit what third-party apps can access. These targeted adjustments stop new leaks and reduce the platform's ability to profile you over time. To finish, clean up legacy exposure. Use Activity Log to review and change audiences or delete old posts in bulk, and untag yourself from unwanted photos. Once complete, download a copy of your account data and then purge entries you don't want stored. If something goes wrong, like being locked out, use the saved recovery codes or your designated trusted contacts to regain access. If necessary, escalate to support with proof of identity. This final sweep seals changes and gives you recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.